What's the meaning of a streetcar named Desire? A streetcar named Desire. A streetcar named Desire.
A streetcar named Desire. A streetcar named Desire. A Streetcar Named Desire is a play written by Tennessee Williams. The title refers to the streetcar that the character Blanche Du Bois takes to reach her sister's house in New Orleans. The play explores themes of desire, illusion, reality, and violence, as Blanche struggles to maintain her fragile sense of dignity and sanity while confronting the harsh realities of her past. The title can be interpreted as a metaphor for the character's desires and aspirations, which are often driven by illusions and fantasies that lead them to a destructive end.